Don't think that people are going to like me for creating this video because it kind of it craps on the ideas of 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers because people are aiming for that to become monetized. And I want to share with my audience that you don't need 4,000 hours of watch time. You don't need 1,000 subscribers to build a business. But people think, go to YouTube, get it monetized, and make loads of money. But actually, I believe that's the wrong way to build your online business. So if you want to hang out with me for a few moments and find out why that is, then please do. If this is not for you, you're going to go the old, poor, expensive route of 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers, then you go ahead and do that. And please go off. I wish you well. I'm making a real, honest, raw video today because I don't want my friends like me, plus 40, to be poor. I want to help you create a lifestyle business and a legacy business. And in this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how to do that. So you'll see it's not my usual jump in with a script, poppy things, questions and all that. It's just me, real, raw, live, in the moment, talking to this camera. So let's get into it. First step is 4,000 hours of watch time, 1,000 subscribers is not of benefit to you. It's a benefit to YouTube. Let me explain why. It's a benchmark that they encourage you to hit so that you can then be valuable to YouTube. And do you know what? I completely understand it. It shows that you're serious about YouTube. It shows that you have the consistency and tenacity to create great content. However, there is a better way for you to do it. Now, some people have literally crapped in my comments and said to me, how can you be selling a course? You've not even got 1,000 subscribers. I've got this many subscribers. I've got more than you and I won't sell a course. Well, guess what? That's down to their insecurity and their lack of confidence based on who they are and what they do. And I can't help that for them right there and then, but I can help that through the video content that I share. What gives me the audacity to say that I can create videos on YouTube and then sell a product? Well, do you know what? I've got years of knowledge, skills, experience, and expertise to share with the world of YouTube and everywhere else. Why? Because I've been running a social media agency now for the best part of 11 years. And I have skills, unique experiences. I've literally lived the entire road of creating content for social media, using the power of video, podcasts, content, everything you can think of to do with social media marketing, and lived that. I've even worked with authors, coaches, consultants. I ran a summit during COVID from my lounge in Norwich in partnership with the United Nations. Members of my team were in London managing the guests, and I was up here running it. So do you know what? I've done my hours. I'm not a 22-year-old life coach who's trying to fix all of your problems. I am very real, raw, in the moment, and can help get you from A to B. But what does this do for you with regards to the whole, building a business on YouTube and teaching you to build a business with video? Video is the key point here. YouTube is the platform and the tool, and I love it. You can be found on search. You can use it as a library. You can bring people back to it. You could recommend your comment. There's so much stuff. This is the benefit that I can help you use YouTube to build your business is kind of a double tick in the box. How are we going to do it? Let me share this insight with you very, very simply, very, very quickly. And if this video is good enough to go out, then I will post it for you. Do you know what? I'm breaking all the rules. I've not made a thumbnail, got an idea. I've not made a title, but I've got an idea on there. So I'm kind of doing it backwards, but I have passion about this because I've been challenged so much in my comments. Let me give you some context. I'm quite a sensitive individual. I'm a very spiritual man. I'm a loving father. So when someone craps in my comments, it does hurt. It hits me right here because I am a heart brand business owner after all. With all of this years of experience and expertise, you might think that my skin would be a bit thicker, and you know what? In the main it is. But I'm making this video as well for the people who are starting out, because when people go on social media, YouTube, any other platform, and people crap in people's comments, it stops them, it prevents them. Imposter syndrome kicks in, self-doubt, self-worth, all of those things are challenged. And I don't want you to do that. So I'm being the guy who's going to put his head above the parapet. I'm going to be a bit braver. I'm going to share with you that so that maybe you'll be kind to people's comments, because my whole business and purpose is around communicating a kinder world. So let's get straight to it. I started my YouTube channel, this one that you're on, just over about a year ago. Last August time, last summer, okay? And with it, my first video was about the content secret and creating videos in 2 minutes a day, getting over the fear of video. And in there, I shared 3 things. I shared the Courage Before Confidence program, and I shared a order bump of a way to script your YouTube videos, and then I shared my social media masterclass course. Somebody went in and they bought all 3, the program, the order bump, and the social media course, to the tune of approximately $300. Why is this important to you? Well, let me explain. 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in your first month, okay, is going to pay you pittance. So while you're striving for 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers, what if you just took the concept of, I've got skills, I've got expertise, I'll create some content, I'll see what the audience like, I'll create a lead magnet out of the videos that people like because I'm leaning into my skills, knowledge, expertise, wisdom. And then what I'll do is I'll build up my email list and I'll create a product based on the audience, the market's biggest need, based on the content that they're loving from me, the stuff that they're coming back for. Now, it might be a $99 product, just like the Courage Before Confidence video training. But since I launched or relaunched the Courage Before Confidence video training, that at the moment is averaging between $100 a day and $300 a day. Let's just go to the top end of that for a moment. $300 a day equates to approximately $9,000 a month. I've got the stats. Maybe I'll put a bit of B-roll and do a little clip on it to show you. So actually, would you rather 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of watch time, just focus and focus and focus and focus, grinding away on that? Or is it better to serve a community, people you love, maybe the people that you once were? Because I'm sharing content with people based on the last 10 years of my life, because I can make that journey shorter for you, taking you from zero, never made a video in your life, getting you onto a platform like YouTube, looking and analyzing what YouTube wants based on my 11 years of experience in the social media marketing world, taking my transferable skills from the police and helping you build a business from it. Whether that's a $100 product or a $5,000 product, it doesn't matter. The process is the same. The conversations in between might be a little bit different, maybe need tweaking, might need you showing up on a call rather than just selling a product online. However, the process is this. Build your own business for you and your family. Create a legacy. Live life on your own terms. And don't be at the mercy of a social media platform. I love YouTube. And yes, the channel is monetized, and we will turn on the AdSense and the ad revenue and all of that at the most appropriate time. But it'll be based on the most appropriate time for you, the user, and the user experience, not my bank balance. Because actually, I can make more money for selling one course than what YouTube will currently spend on me, or give me, if you will, based on my channel size. YouTube's not going to pay you a great deal of money to live on. Yes, you can add up the revenue streams, you can stack them, but actually, if you've got skills, knowledge, wisdom, expertise, and you've traveled that path, why not create something to help the people who are on the same journey as you over the years that you've been on, to get them there quicker with less pain? So I hope you found this video useful. It's very, very ad hoc. It's very, still within the realms of how I would create a YouTube video. Super raw, one take. If you've enjoyed this video, obviously smash the like button and all the usual stuff, and check out the description because there'll be some things for you to acquire, whether it's the free ebook, whether it is the Courage Before Confidence course, or whether it's book on a discovery call with me so that you can actually work some of this out with me. I'm more than happy to. Take care. Have an awesome, awesome rest of your week. Much love. Big Daddy out.